The wild buffalo. Adults must not only be able to recognize the faults in their children, but also should have the ability to recognize their special talents. It is very hard to recognize an inherent, extraordinary spiritual trait in the child. To prove the point, the following episode is an example. In Bommeparthi, there was a ferocious buffalo which used to attack many people and gore them several times. The elders of the village, unable to control it, decided to put it to sleep. They failed in their attempts, and the buffalo ran amok in the streets of the village. Unable to withstand its fury and to escape from its attack, the villagers ran helter-skelter and hid inside their homes. Satyanarayana came from nowhere and started to run towards the buffalo. Not a single soul was in the street at that time. The buffalo ran towards him as if to gore him, but stopped short of attacking. One of the villagers screamed,
"Shastri, your son is running towards the buffalo. He is actually confronting it."
Shastri collapsed immediately on the floor and started praying to his family deity, Lord Narasimha.
"My Lord Narasimha, he is not my son. He is your son. Please take care of him. Please save him."
Satyanarayana stared at the buffalo for a few seconds. It stopped its roar, but was still panting very hard. Satyanarayana spoke to it in a firm voice.
"For the past 7 lives, you were born as a wild animal. Before that, you were a very bad person. You have slayed small children. You have slayed Brahmins and women. All your victims are now trying to put you to death. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Aren't you ashamed that everybody hates you? Are you trying to multiply your sins so your future lives will also be bad?"
The buffalo appeared to understand Satyanarayana's words. Perhaps it remembered its past. Tears poured from its eyes. It bowed down at Satyam's feet and went away. From that day onwards, it stopped attacking the people of the village. One can see extraordinary powers exhibited in this episode. There is a point here to note. Even the buffalo was able to recognize that Satyanarayana was angry and shouting only out of love and consideration for its welfare. What about children? They recognize it easily. There are adults who scold or hit children just to show that they are superior and have a right to do so without having to explain or give any reason. Such adults become the enemies of children when the children grow up. On the other hand, those elders who react with the feeling they are our children and we need to show them love and affection will win the hearts of children. Your love gives you the right to scold, and your love helps you to succeed in your efforts at correcting them by reprimanding.